So we talked about what a one-off outbound call is already. Now let's quick talk about a campaign. So campaign's a very similar concept, except for instead of just calling one call, you have multiple calls you can call, multiple people you can call at the same time. So here, let's give our campaign a name, and we'll say test campaign December 23. You can give it a description. This is just more for your own internal reference. Again, you can schedule it to be scheduled for a date in the future if you'd like, or if you leave that blank, it will just, if you leave that blank, it will just call right when you start it. Again, we select our agent that we want, select the phone number, phone message delay, and this is the purpose of our call, what we're wanting our call to do. Here we can say, okay, ask if they want to learn more about voice AI from SpeechSage. Again, you can set a default opening message or a closing message, or if you leave it there blank, it will use whatever the agent is configured by default. Now, if we were to add from our contacts list, you can add your contacts manually, one by one. We can see how we have that there. Or, what you can do, additionally, is you can upload a CSV file. Now, the required columns here are, you do have to have your first name, a last name, and then a phone number. But then in addition to that, you can set specific call intent for each individual user that's specific to the caller. A specific opening message or a specific closing message for each of the different people you're trying to contact. And there's a little template there you can download if you want to follow. In our case, I already have one that I was playing around with. And again, if you just click open, you can see here, if there were some merge errors, you could then edit those here. In this sense, it looks like these are both my name, but I have two different numbers here and different intents. So I have like the regular call intent, the default, but in this one, I modified it for this particular number. In this way, you can have a bunch of different contacts, and you can have different purposes for calling these different contacts if you want to edit them as such. So I added those two there. I will create campaign, and whenever I'm ready, I can edit it if I want, or if I want to start, I can click my start button and it will start the campaign. And as you can see, I got a call right here. Hello? Hey, how are you? And there, you have just made a phone call. That's that.